Today we will be. Wait, can you guys hear me drink? Hold on. I'm the baby. Actually don't know if the game will even work for us today. Sorry. Here we go. Here, 1, 2, 3. Huh? You just wait until you hear this song. I just want to let you guys know he's actually saying stuff. Go Counter-Strike in the world. There we go. I found it. My daddy's got a gun. My daddy's got... We're up all night to get love. You have to keep it up. And do I really want to go live today? No. Do I really want to be entertaining? Not really. Listen, going now more speeds. Thanks for head patting. My camera isn't on though. Oops. Bam, bam, bam. I said Hummer. What's this game called? This is called Word. Oh, I just realized I'm on just chatting still. Yo. My bad. Oh yeah, okay.